Hello and welcome to another update video on XRP. The XRP chart here on the larger time frame continues to move in this long sideways range. We often see that on the XRP chart. We've seen it between 2022 and 2024, and then here separately before the breakout, we have a very similar structure here. And I mean, I'm not just telling you this will go up, because I can never tell you something will happen, but we're talking about what is likely, what really should happen. And as long as the market holds above certain levels, like for example, the April low at around $1.65 or $1.63, the overall focus could be on higher prices in the fifth wave, because the pullback so far has been corrective in nature. And also, we have a 5-wave move up from the April low. So with a 5-wave move up from the April low, we have an indication that the 5th wave up has started, and it can take us to round about $5 or so. This is still the view, unchanged, and $5 is not, the ultimate target or something, but it definitely is a target we should focus on. It is a level that should be reached in the next move to the upside, but obviously the condition is that we are holding above the April low. Any break below the April low will open the door to a much larger correction, but as long as we're then holding $1.21, it would likely just be seen as an extension of this 4th wave, even though that would not be ideal. So, but for now, we are holding all support levels. So let us take a look at this smaller time frame. And here on the smaller time frame, smaller XRP chart, smaller time frame chart, here you can see in even more detail that the move to the upside from the April low can be considered a 5-wave pattern. It can be considered 5 waves in wave 1. And then here the wave 2 pullback, which might have bottomed in June. And then the 3rd wave rally could happen from here. But yellow scenario not clearly preferred. Someone asked me yesterday, which count do I prefer, blue or yellow? I think I mentioned it in the videos. I mean, I cannot clearly favor yellow because I need to see a 5-wave move up from the June low to clearly be able to favor a direct breakout, because this 5-wave move up would only be a start. Afterwards, we would get another corrective pullback and we should go higher. But only with that 5-wave move, I can add the next support area. Until then, this support region, which we already have on the chart, remains relevant, is relevant, stays relevant. And it's between $1.79 and $2.06. And for now, we're just moving sideways here. So we haven't really seen any 5-wave move up yet. Also, the last rally here remained corrective in nature. So I'm talking about the rally after the 13th of June. We have not broken above a previous swing high. So I remain focused on the blue scenario, which means we are likely dealing with a triangle pattern there, which could lead to one more low. So that's what I'm watching for. So we could be dealing here with a C wave down already, maybe in wave 2, but I need to see a break below the 5th of June low to confirm that further, and then the focus will shift to $1.95 to $1.79. So yeah, I mean, it might be ideal here for a bit of a wider E wave to unfold in this triangle pattern we talked about. But the idea is this is an A wave, this is a B wave, and we could get a C wave down. And as long as we're holding $1.79 or at least avoid a decisive break below it, the overall focus can remain on higher prices. Yeah, that's the update on XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.